Ole ole, this is Hellhound Engineering Solutions, bringing you a down and dirty unboxing and review of AirPods Pro 2nd generation. Inside the box, you have the instruction manual, charging case, and AirPods Pro 2nd generation, USB-C to Lightning cable, ear tips that come in 4 sizes, and yes, no charger. I used the Quiet Comfort earbuds too as a comparison against the AirPods Pro 2nd generation. I tested them when driving through Bangkok on a motorcycle, flying, outside in adverse weather, walking around the red light districts, going to the restroom, walk around busy shopping centers, riding in a boat, looking for something smelly to eat, and enjoying a foot massage. This is my review based on my experience with the products. Setup is seamless when using the AirPods Pro 2nd generation. It's just as easy as plug and play. For the audio performance, the Bose has a little more in-depth, clear audio over the AirPods Pro 2nd generation. But Apple uses spatial audio that gives a complete immersive experience. Integration, both work across platforms and devices, but Apple provides outstanding performance that works seamlessly with iOS devices. It's spot on. You can't beat Apple's integration. Bose, in my opinion, has the best overall noise canceling, and especially in the low frequencies. Apple, on the other hand, blocks out even the white noise in a quiet room that Bose lets in. When making phone calls, the mic clarity on the AirPods Pro 2nd generation provides a more natural sound over the quiet comfort. The earbuds' physical controls on both pairs were acceptable. Battery life and case, the Bose wins because it uses USB-C, even though the AirPods has a smaller case and gets better battery life. In my overall opinion and impression, the AirPods Pro 2nd generation has awesome noise canceling combined with a very good soundstage. They check most of the boxes and they actually stay in the ear for most part. A wingtip or longer form ear tips would be preferred for stability and noise isolation. It is a no-brainer if you use Apple products, and they also work well across platforms. So yes, I recommend them. Ole ole, another unboxing and review done right. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content.